And in the following moments, I'll show you how to create your custom email address using Google Workspace. Awesome. So the next step is to add our Google Workspace so we can have our custom email addresses. And the first thing we need to do is click on the apps option. Once we are on this page, we're going to get some apps, okay? And once the page loads, we're going to scroll down and find the Google Workspace. Then we're going to choose the plan by clicking on this button. And we're going to choose this one because I don't need all of this. Cool. Get business starter. So Google Workspace and Namecheap will prompt me with all of this information, and all you have to do is just click the allow button. And now that we have the Google Workspace app installed in our Namecheap account, we have access to the subscriptions that we can create for our Google Workspace. And the first step to add a subscription is clicking on the add new button. Then we're going to use an existing domain by clicking on the use an existing domain button. Since we only have one domain, we can choose the one domain that we have. And finally, click on the continue button. And finally, add your payment method. It could be credit card, PayPal, or whatever. I'll use PayPal because that's what I can use at this moment. And I'm going to pay with PayPal right now. Great. Once Namecheap is done with the process, we are going to review our Google Workspace account. And then we click Setup. On this section, we're going to add the name of our email address. And finally, I'm going to create my new email address by hitting the Create button. If everything turns out correctly, you'll have a success message over here. And then you can click to go to your inbox. So let's click over here and let's go to our account. Beautiful. So now that we're here, we'll click Next. Once you're here, add your password and click Next. Then click the Accept button. And we're almost done. So if you want, take a look at the term of services and scroll down and then click the Accept Terms of Service. So everything we just did will take us to the Google administration area. And the first thing you need to do inside this area is click on the Verify Domain option. Once you're here, click on Verify once again. Then click on Continue. Then click on the Go to Namecheap option. Go back to the tab and we're going to copy and paste this little code that we see over here. Great. So let's go back to our Namecheap account. Let's click Dashboard. Let's click the Manage option. Then let's click the Advanced DNS option. Over here, what we're going to do is add a new record. And this record should be a TXT record. This one. Good. We're going to paste the little code that we just saw over here and add. And then we click on this side. That's all we have to do for the moment. Great. Once you're done with adding the TXT record, go back to your Verify Domain and click on Verify My Domain button. Awesome. So the domain was verified. The next step is click the skip for now, and then we go to our Gmail account. Good. Awesome. So Gmail is active. Let's send a test email and let's see how it works. Send. And let's go to Gmail. Awesome. Great. Now we have our email address. And that's basically all you have to do to buy a domain and create an email address with Google Workspace.